Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean vegetable pancakes called 야채전. You could literally put all of your leftover vegetables in here and make it a healthy vegetable pancakes that everyone will love. Plus, I'm going to show you how to make this soy sauce dipping sauce, which is a must when you have Korean pancakes. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있는 야채전 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. You gotta make this at home. And it's still a little chewy too. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. And for today's Korean pancake batter mix, we're gonna add 3 parts 부침가루, that is Korean pancake mix, and 1 part 튀김가루, which is tempura batter mix. This will ensure that your pancake comes out extra crispy and chewy. You can order these pancake batter mixes online and the product links will be in the description box below. So we're gonna add 3/4 cups of the pancake mix and we're gonna add 1/4 cup of the 튀김가루, that's the tempura mix. Alternatively, you can make this batter mix at home. For the recipe, go to the web page that you see right here. To this, we're gonna slowly add a little less than 1/2 cup of water. We're gonna add a little more at a time. And 1 egg. And then we're just gonna crack it in here. And then we're just gonna slowly add the egg. And then from here, we're just gonna have about 1/2 cup of water. We're not gonna use all of it, but we're just gonna add slowly a little bit at a time. Mix and mix a little bit more. And then just a little bit more. We used about 3/4 of water, so this is the leftover that we have, of about 1/4 cup. And we want the consistency to look like this. A little bit runnier than a gravy consistency. So we're gonna do a spoon test. So you wanna take your spoon and flip it over. And you wanna run your finger through it and it should have a clean like that. So we have about 1/8 of a medium-sized red onion cut into shreds like this, and we're just gonna put it in here. And we have 2 slices of carrots cut into thin strips like so, and then we're gonna put in our batter. And to this, we're gonna add 1 scallion, cut the ends off, and then we're gonna cut it down the middle, cut this down the middle, and again, if it's thick, and then just cut it into about 1.5 inches in length. And the same for here. And then we're gonna drop it in here. And I have 2 sprigs of spinach. And I'm just gonna cut the root end off about here. We're gonna just cut it about 1.5 inches in length. The leafy parts maybe a little bit more. And we're gonna pick this up. And then we're gonna put it in the bowl. Gently mix your vegetables like so. You could use any vegetables literally in your refrigerator. It doesn't have to be these vegetables only. Okay, so this is ready. This is optional if you want to add a little bit of red and green peppers to make your pancakes look really pretty. I know, some of you are asking, so what's the ratio of the vegetables with the mixed batter? That really is up to you. I like to always put 50% or more vegetables, but you could put more or less. So it's your personal choice. So to make our soy sauce dipping sauce, I have about 1/2 tablespoon of scallions, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. All-purpose soy sauce is fine. And to this, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of water. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using brown rice vinegar, but any white vinegar will do. And then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of gochugaru, that's Korean red pepper flakes. And to this, we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, add a little bit of sesame seeds, and then we're just gonna mix it all up. And this is ready. Make sure to preheat your frying pan for a good 2 minutes on high heat. And once your frying pan is preheated, we're gonna add a generous amount of oil. So I would even put about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil. And we're just gonna add the entire batter in here. And you should hear that sizzling sound. And quickly, we wanna evenly distribute our batter and the vegetables. And then just move the pan around so all the oil kind of distributes evenly, like that. And then we're gonna turn down our heat to about medium high. We're gonna let this cook for about a good minute and a half. And we're just gonna go under. So you want it to be about that golden color. Go around and pick a spot as deep as you can, and we're just gonna flip it like that. That's the color we're looking for. So after we flip, lower the stove heat to medium. In about 2 minutes, we're gonna finish this off. Now we're gonna go in, just to make sure you have that little bit of golden brown color. Go in and then just flip. And here we go, this is all done. We're just gonna put it on our cutting board. Woo. And then we're just gonna cut it. And then cut it down the opposite way. And then we're just gonna lay it over a little bit like that. Ooh, it's so pretty. And then we're just gonna place our dipping sauce right in the middle. And this is all ready. And because we added the tempura batter mix, you'll see how parts of the pancake is extra crispy looking. It sure is. This is a tip that my mom told me, and I'm sharing it with you folks. What I would do is just pick one up and dip it in the soy sauce, and everything that's in the soy sauce dipping sauce will add another layer of yumminess to this. This is a biteful. Oh my God, this is so good. Bon appetit, everyone. Chewy carb heaven. Taste in your mouth with vegetables that are like still sweet but yet a little crunchy. You gotta make this at home. And it's still a little chewy too. So when it comes to having Korean pancakes, we Koreans love to have a little beverage with it. So my favorite is to have makgeolli with it, and this is my favorite brand, Gukseondang. And you always have to shake it a little bit, not too aggressively. And then you open it, pour, and hear that sound. Together is a match made in heaven. And I know there's a lot out there with fruit flavors. And what do I think about fruit flavored makgeolli? I won't say anything, I have no comment. But always stick with the original non-flavored makgeolli. Cheers! This is so good that you can't just have one gulp, you need 3 gulps. I want to thank everyone for watching today. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아요 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.